Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the reading mode on the MangaTOON application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Here you can just select comics which you want to reading, and tap to the start or continue button, and here go to the settings option next to the comment at the bottom of the screen, and in the reading mode option you can select scroll and author's mode when the comics is enabled the normal or manga mode. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.